of key facilitator and on ICT coordinator. So I would like to give you the next presentation.
For our selection, these are the criteria that we consider, and this is the rating scale. For the capacity constraint during robust devices, supports the business objective, company image will be enhanced, potential cost saving, customer will benefit from the project, reduction in time and input, that's including output as well. And these are the reason for project selection. Eliminate the queuing capacity constraint, eliminate time disturbance, cost savings, floor spacing savings, customer satisfaction, on-time delivery. Based on our Gantt chart, we don't have any